Decorate your aquarium. This cute Groot decoration has realistic carving details, hand-painted artwork, can generate bubbles to increase oxygen, and can also decorate the unique fish tank scenery. Material. Resin, non-toxic, will not harm your fish, will not fall off, will not fade, can be used in fresh water or salt water. Easy to use. Air stone can replace oxygen and reduce the content of carbon dioxide. You only need to manually connect the aviation pipe to the connection port of the air stone and deliver air, and it can be used normally. The package includes 10 feet aviation pipe, 1 Groot bubble, 2 suction cups, 1 check valve, 1 T connector and 1 air control valve. The whole set of accessories is enough to connect to the air pump. Top reviews from the United States. Very cute. This little Groot is very cute. He's a bit smaller than I would like, but he has made a good addition to my tank. Everybody comments on him. He has great airflow. I only wish I could get him to stop falling over. I keep trying different things to keep him upright, which is mainly about the hose being in the wrong place, but I just tell people he's taking a nap. Lol. It's really not a huge issue. All in all, I think he's super cool.